In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Figma to CMYK and use Figma for print design with the Print for Figma plugin. By the end, you will have a clean, print-ready PDF with the right color mode, resolution, and bleed, so your work looks the way you expect on paper. Start by opening your design in Figma. On the canvas, right-click anywhere to open the context menu, choose Plugins, then select Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Print for Figma from the results. Pick Print for Figma, CMYK Bleed Crop Marks DPI and click Run to launch it. This plugin is built specifically to handle print-friendly exports, so it takes care of the technical pieces for you. Next, select the frame you want to export. In Figma, a frame is essentially your page or artboard. Click the exact frame that represents the piece you are sending to print, so the plugin knows which content to process. If you have multiple pages, work one frame at a time to keep your files organized and avoid mixing settings across different layouts. With the frame selected, go back to Plugins and choose Print for Figma if the panel isn't already open. Now configure your print settings. First, set the color profile to CMYK. Unlike RGB, which is optimized for screens, CMYK corresponds to the inks used in printing, giving you more reliable color on press. Next, set the DPI to 300. DPI stands for dots per inch and 300 DPI is the standard for sharp, professional quality prints. This resolution helps maintain crisp text and detailed images without introducing fuzziness or visible pixels. Then set your bleed to 3 mm, or 5 mm if required. Bleed extends color or images slightly beyond the final trim edge, so you don't get thin white lines after cutting. Many projects are fine at 3 mm, while some printers or edge-to-edge designs may specify 5 mm. If you already know your printer's requirement, match it here to avoid re-exports later. Once those settings are in place, click the Export button inside the plugin to generate a print-ready PDF. The plugin handles the conversion to CMYK and includes production details like bleed, and where applicable crop marks to guide trimming. Save the PDF with a clear name and location so you can confidently hand it off to your print provider or upload it to a print service without confusion. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.